क्षेत्रं यच्छ यादृच्छ यद्विकारी यदच्छयत् स च यो यत्प्रभावश्च तस्मात्सेन मे शृणुः।
Sri Subramanya Samaj Temple Complex at Chhadanagar, Chembur is a marvelous blend of traditional and modern architecture. Built with concrete and sculptured granite, styled like the ancient temples of the south, the shrines are situated atop a 51 feet high RCC structure. Devotees entering the complex through the main gate have to climb 108 steps to reach the Rajagopuram, which is the main entry to the temples. Lord Muruga, the presiding deity, along with his consorts Valli and Devasena, are housed in the main sanctum at the center. There are 4 other sanctums for Ganesha, Devi, Purna Pushkala Sameta Dharmashastra and Guruvayurappan. Also, there is a shrine for the Navagrahas. There is an idol of Dakshinamurti as Koshta Devata on the south wall of the main sanctum. These temples here have a unique distinction of following 2 different customary styles of rituals in the day-to-day worship. Pujas and other rituals for Guruvayurappan and Dharma Shastra are conducted according to the Tantra Shastra. For all other deities, rituals as per the Agama Shastras are conducted. Occasions of religious importance and festivals are observed with complete devotional fervor. Special pujas and abhishekams are conducted on important occasions. Navaratri Puja with 9 Chandi Homas and Mahashivratri with Natyanjali are unique to our temple. The community center with 2 air-conditioned halls and a basement hall has been venue for all types of social, cultural, devotional and spiritual events. The temple attracts thousands of devotees even from faraway places. The complex also has special classrooms for classical dances, music, painting, Vedas and Puranas. Regular classes are conducted by eminent teachers. Shanmukha Priya, a charity trust dedicated to social, cultural, educational, medical and community welfare, founded by the Samaj, has been actively involved in the socio-cultural activities at the temple complex. In the educational front, annual scholarships and study materials are distributed to poor and deserving students. Also, merit awards are presented to toppers in academics from more than a dozen schools. In cooperation with the Indian Cancer Society and other medical centers, health checkup camps are conducted at the complex regularly. Recently, the Samaj has undertaken a senior citizens home project, Prem Kutir, at Shelar village near Karjat. The complex, consisting of individual cottages and a common utilities center, is situated in a picturesque valley of the Western Ghats at a distance of less than 2 hours drive from Mumbai.
And Natyanjali by gurus and teachers on the occasion of Mahashivratri. To begin, we invite revered gurus to light the lamp.
Natyanjali, a festival of dance and Nataraja Aradhanai during Mahashivratri, has become an annual event at the temple. This fortnight-long festival has been providing opportunities for dancers of all classical styles from all over to present their talents before a discerning audience. The Samaj also has been organizing music concerts, bhajans, devotional discourses, and also workshops on classical arts. The consecration and first Mahakumbhabhishekam of the temple was performed on the 24th January 1980 in the divine presence of His Holiness Jagat Guru Shankaracharya Sri Jayendra Saraswati of Kanchi Kamakoti Peetham. According to the Agama Shastras, Ashtabandhana Kumbhabhishekam for temples are to be performed once in every 12 years to enhance the Sanithyam, that is the omnipotency of the pontiffs of the Kanchi Peetham, Sri Jayendra Saraswati and Sri Vijayendra Saraswati. The temple is now being spruced up for the 4th Mahakumbhabhishekam scheduled for the 26th January 2011. Renovation and refurbishment of the interiors are complete. Artisans and sculptors from the south are working on the Rajagopuram and the exteriors. An organizing committee consisting of eminent personalities from different walks of life has already started functioning for the smooth conduct of the grand event. Like in the past, the Shankaracharyas of Kanchi Peetham have agreed to grace the proceedings of the forthcoming Mahakumbhabhishekam with their benign presence.
கும்பாபிஷேகம் நடைபெற்றிருக்கிறது. அதுவும் பெரியோர்களுடைய அனுகிரகத்துடன், பெரியோர்களுடைய மார்க்கதர்சனத்துடன் இந்த கும்பாபிஷேகம் 80ஆம் வருஷம், 90ஆம் வருஷம், 2000ஆம் வருஷத்தில் நடைபெறுகிறது. ஒவ்வொரு மனிதனும் தெய்வ பக்தியுடனும் நல்ல ஒழுக்கத்துடனும் வாழ்க்கையை நடத்த வேண்டும். தெய்வ பக்தியை வளர்ப்பதற்காக கோவில்கள் ஏற்பட்ட